Installing your front bolt snap. To install your front bolt snap, you will need a T25 star bit screwdriver or power drill. Then, remove the screws around the handle of the nose cone. Remove the handle and set it aside. Now, take your front bolt snap and the length of rope that's been included. Position the rope around the handle area with a knot at each end. Place the handle back on the nose cone, making sure that the nylon cord fits into the 2 holes on either end. Then refasten the screws. Congratulations! Now you've installed your front bolt snap.